Hey everyone, here's my last two paintings. So there's the string pull. These colors are phenomenal together. So purple, green, blue, yellow, two shades of blue. Beautiful together. Now this, on the other hand, this is way too chaotic for my taste, I think. I don't know, maybe somebody will want it. But let me know soon if that person's you. Otherwise, I am repainting it because it's a little too crazy for my taste. Although I just love that neon right there going around. I love that. So those are those two. And I'm going to do an airbrush on this one, but instead of doing a puddle pour like I usually do, I'm going to go more in a line and see what that does. So I've got ARTEZA Carmine Red, ARTEZA Yellow, ARTEZA Mystery Blue. What makes the Mystery Blue so sparkly is their Pearl Sapphire Blue. And then it's mixed. I've got some Prussian Blue and Phthalo Blue in there. And then Carmine Red. Shake these up. And then the yellow, which is the two, there's not that many yellows. I think it's lemon yellow and deep yellow. And then I've got Artist Loft Deep Magenta. And I believe I am getting a cold. My first one, and I haven't been sick since like May. So it's about time, I suppose. Ugh, it's annoying. It's not even bad yet, it's just the early stuffy stage. I'm not sure how to do the where to do the line. Where to put the paint. Gosh, I wonder. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like what I'm doing. Because I could blow it this way. I could just, see, I could just go in and attack it from any direction. Now let's trying to make the pressure higher. But it seems to be that it's the same amount of pressure no matter which way I turn this knob. That might seem lower. I don't know. seems the same regardless of how I do it. Oops. Ah! No. What is it doing? I do not know what that was. That white I put over was definitely a different kind of white. It's a different color. I have a feeling it was house paint white. And the white base was Artist Loft. Let's do some tilting. Decided I want it all going down. So now I'm trying to keep the cord out of it. There, that seems better. I don't know what I just did, but just did something. That's just a lot. I don't like the weight over this. That's what I was trying to fix. But I like it. It's kind of crazy. It's busy, but it's pretty. Oh, there's so much white here. I didn't even realize that. Not as much white over here. I dig it. It's wild. I tried to avoid this white coming over. But it's inevitable. It is just going. I can't really get rid of it. So, there is a lot of paint. Yikers. Yeah, so you can see there is white over the color, and it almost makes kind of a cracky look, like a film. I am going to break it. Ah, hey. Normally I don't like that look, but it's doing something. It's doing something. I don't know what. This is definitely a colorful one. Anybody who was like, Ian, you made your color so muted. It's been quite a while since anyone has said that to me. So yeah, so those are the areas. See where the white is over? And that's a little area that started to sell. And some of that could be that other white I used was different. It was, I wish I knew what it was. I'm guessing house paint white. But I'm not entirely sure. Because whatever goes into those bottles is like a little bit of everything. So it could have just been a mix of art, house, everything. But thank you so much for watching. I'm really pleased with this one. I love all the colors. Bye.